Good morning, everyone. So, as requested by you, here is the video of the answer for the BA Honors English Semester First European Classical Literature Paper 2. So, this video contains the answer of the assignments for those two questions asked in the European Classical Literature Paper 2 for the BA Honors English Semester 1. Both questions carry equal marks, 50-50 each, for totally for 100, and each question has to be written in about 500 words. Okay, so the questions we have done is the first one, which asks the Greek gods and goddesses play an important role in Homer's Iliad, which is a detail about we have to write in about 500 words. And the third question we have done, that write a detailed critical analysis of Philomela, it's episode of Metamorphosis. Okay, so these two questions we have chosen to answer. So let's start with the answers now. Like always, before answering the questions, we mention our details like name, sole roll number, exam roll number, subject, paper code, date, and semester. Then we mention the question first. The Greek gods and the goddesses play an important role in Homer's Iliad. Write in detail about their actions in the epic. So before answering it or starting with the answers, I have mentioned the theme of the Homer's Iliad in a paragraph. Then we went on with the important role played by Greek gods and goddesses by mentioning by taking the references from the book or the story. Okay, it went like this. Okay, till the end, reaching till the end, I have mentioned the conclusion of the Homer's Iliad, the roles played in by the gods and goddesses in that. Okay, the conclusion is also given at the end. So this was the complete answer of it, as it was mentioned there that we have to write it in about 500 words, not more than that. So I would suggest you to put your own sentences and words after understanding this context and write it in your own words. Okay, so if you find these words or the sentences used like tough to use, or like they are not understandable, they are because in English honors the words have to be used this way. The vocabulary has to be like little trickier or better ones, which is not which is related to literature. Okay, so that shows that you are a student of literature. Okay, so this was the answer of the first question. Then we went on with the third question, which asked that write a detailed critical analysis of the Philomela's episode from Ovid's Metamorphosis. Okay, so to give the critical analysis of that Philomela's episode, first I talked about what is metamorphosis, Ovid's Metamorphosis, what is the theme of it, what the writer or the author wants to talk about with that. Then we went on with the episode of Philomela and talked about then we went on talking or discussing about the heroic rape which was happened and how it was hidden, and at the end we talked about how it was censored with that in the written world. Okay, so the answer depended on the literature. Again, the words and the sentences are taken according to the literature. Okay, and it is in about 500 words. Again, I would suggest you to write your own sentences by understanding the context and add your own points, so it should look different than others. Okay, so this was the complete video or the two answers of the two questions as in the assignment question paper. So for getting other assignments answers, please like and subscribe our video and share it to the maximum. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.